Hello everyone and good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Nazim. Guys, good morning. No one interested
Good
to say
morning,
good
sir.
morning also. Good morning, Shriram. Guys, at least now make a habit to unmute yourself. Please switch on your cameras as well if possible. Because after 1 week, we will going to start the cameras for everyone. Please, anyone, if anyone possible to switch on the camera, it will be great. Okay? Because I don't want you to be into the different mode while learning. Please. Guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Gus.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good. Hey, good morning, Kamal. Good morning. Guys, in the last class, let's go to the syllabus. Okay. Where is the syllabus? Here is the syllabus. Okay. In this syllabus, if you will see that in the last class, we have already started the Docker, where exactly it is. Yep. In the last class, we have already started the virtual machine. Okay. We have taken the overview of the virtualization. Okay. And we know how virtual machines work and what's the biggest problem with the virtual machine. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. So can you tell me the reason why the virtual machine, what is the disadvantage of virtual machine? What is the biggest disadvantage of virtual machine?
That virtual machine holds the hardware, holds the RAM, even if it is not using.
Okay, agree, acceptable. Okay. But what is the
And
disadvantage in that? It hold, yeah, I agree. Everyone say if it's a virtual machine also it holds.
yeah, but sir, like the transferation is not possible because the size of the virtual machines is very high, like in GBs. And
Correct.
in Docker, we have seen that the size of the container is very less, like 80 MBs, 50 MB, like that. So it is bit easy.
Correct. Interesting answer. Cool. Looks good. Yep. Guys, the virtual machine size is very heavy. We cannot move from one environment to another. That's why this is coming into the disadvantage category of the virtual machine. Okay. In the today's class, we are supposed to create a virtual machine also. Anyone ready with the Oracle VirtualBox software? Have you downloaded? I given some homework. Where is the homework? Where is the homework? I'm coming, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Yeah, here is the homework I given. Have you downloaded? Have you did the setup? Guys, please tell me yes, no.
No, sir, because my system does not have the proper
It's
hardware.
okay. Okay. No, it's okay. What about others? What about others? At least out of 15 students or out of 19 students, at least one yes, please. Okay, chalo, no problem. Guys, please, I am repeating this homework. Please do it, okay? Because you have to do in your machine. Because I get lot of reviews from the student that, sir, it is working in your machine, but it is not working in my machine. Okay, so I encourage you to do in your machine itself. So definitely it will work. The student who want to say after 15 days or after 1 month, sir, this is not working in my machine. Better do it right away. Okay, take again homework. Okay, and we will see in the we will do in next class means 13th Feb. Okay, no worries, it's completely dependent activity. Okay, doesn't depend on anything, so we can do in the tomorrow class also, not a big deal. Okay, cool. After that, we have created the Docker Hub account. Looks good. Okay, we have taken the high level overview on the Docker as well. Now I need a definition on the Docker. Can you please help me out? What is the definition of Docker? Please.
So it's an open platform for developing, shipping, and running any application in any environment.
Cool. Acceptable. Yes. What else? Correct answer. Yep. What else? Anyone else want to say the same thing in a different way? Guys, please interact. If you will not interact here, how you will get the job into the, how you will get a job? I will show you. Guys, can anyone guess me from how much package to how much package you can get it? Any guess, any idea?
No.
Any guess from 4 lakh, how much offer you can get it? Any
Sir,
idea?
there is no limit of package.
I agree, but Devanshu, I need an answer from 4 lakh. within 1 or 2 switch, how much you can reach it within 6 months of duration or 1 year of duration? Answer please, at least guess. I'm going to show my student who already got that much package. Tell me, please. Please.
Pressure 4 to 6.
Bad answer. I don't like this. What about other? From 4 lakh, how much it will reach? This is the girl. Batch 26 girl.
10 lakhs,
10 lakh only.
15 to 20.
Only 15 to 20. Guys, think it, please.
As per the norms means they will increase only 100% of the
Who told?
salary.
Who told? I already talked multiple times 100% or 200%. Who told? You are telling this thing. If you have a capability, how come 4 crore package will come? 3 crore package will come? Chalo, give me the answer, guys. The real time answer. Give me how much this girl can get it. Simple. Try, please. Try. I don't want to waste much time, please.
23.
Chalo, let's leave it. Okay. This is the girl. Okay. I'm getting a message Friday only. I lost the batch 27 access. Okay. By some reason he lost the access. It's okay. Can you please provide the access again? How it is very old. Do you really need? She told it, yes, I need. This is my email ID. Okay. Any batch fine for me. She told it any batch fine for me. It will be helpful for the interview. Are you working? Yes. She told it like LNT Mindtree. She is working. Again switch, but looking for a change. Yes. Okay. How many switches till now? She did already 2 switches. Okay. Nice. After learning with me, of course, yes. From 4 lakh to 32 lakhs journey. She was on 4 lakh package around 1.5 years old. Okay. And now she's on 32 lakh package. And now she's again looking for it. Really unbelievable. It's a great. I will invite you to workshop as well as you my alumni. Okay. Credit goes to you. Thanks for giving the knowledge. Diksha also got placed last week. Okay. Diksha is also same batch. Okay. Last week she bought. She haven't informed me. It happens a lot of time. Actually, today only has joining. Maybe she will inform you after the joining. Cool. Looks good. Okay. Now I will show you Diksha. Okay. DIKSHA. Okay. Diksha. Okay. Diksha also messaged me. Okay. Good evening, sir. I got selected in Infosys. This date. This is yesterday, day before yesterday, only over this weekend. Able to see, guys, 4 lakh to 32 lakh is also possible by learning. If you will be silent, you will be always silent and you will not get an offer also. Agree? Agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yep.
Guys, I want you to speak up. Okay. I want you to switch on the camera. I want you to talk us. I want you to discuss the things so that it will be good. Okay. It happens in everywhere. See, the problem, what I'm facing, a biggest problem is, okay, can you please write something on the Facebook? She haven't write. Okay. It will motivate others. I told, can you write something in the WhatsApp group also? She haven't write. This is the biggest problem I'm facing. Everyone is ready to talk one-to-one, but when they get 30 lakh package, 40 lakh package, they are not ready to inform into the group. If you will get 45 lakh package or 40 lakh package, you will also not inform. Correct? Or you will not come to the class also. Are you agree? Yes, no, please.
Yes.
Chalo, leave it. I am coming back to my actual thing. Okay. I have to do my job. Okay. I am coming here. I need a definition of the Docker, please. Again, please go ahead.
Then Docker is a free and open source platform, and Docker will create a container. We can create, run, deploy our apps on the containers, and it is platform independent, but
Correct.
native runs on mostly it runs on the Linux distribution,
Super.
and container will use host resources like CPU, memory, RAM, and OS. And
Don't
the
give this
Docker
answer.
will
Don't
perform.
see, don't give this answer. See, container hold this resources. Don't give this answer. Okay. It happens, but don't give this answer. Okay. Straightforward. You
Okay.
can say that container contains binary library, everything, dependencies, everything into inside their box. Okay. That is called container. Okay. Because
Okay.
that
And
answer is correct, but it's not required to speak up. Okay.
okay.
Cool. Chalo. Good. Now, if we done this, we have already seen the Docker installation. Okay. Now we are coming into the Docker architecture. Chalo, let's go here. Let's go. I need a machine. Yep. I'm just closing all unnecessary tabs. Okay. I'm creating an infra for you. Okay. Creating an instance. Fast, coming down, 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 coming down. Allow the traffic. Okay. I am changing the boot disk. Okay. Ubuntu UBU. Okay. This time I'm taking 20 GB because in the today's class we will do a lot of practicals completely on the Docker only. So I'm taking 20 GB. Okay. All good. Okay. All good. I'm just clicking on the create. It will take 30 seconds and my machine will be ready. Okay. Now what I'm doing it, I have already created a machine. Okay. Now I'm going to install the Docker. This time I'm taking the another approach. In the last class, we have taken this approach, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. This time I will take the different approach. The approach says scripting approach. What exactly this approach says? Okay. I'm opening my notepad. First. Yes, I'm opening my notepad. Okay. In the notepad, I just put this 3 command. Okay. The very first command you all already aware that if you want to become a root user, we need it. Now I'm going to the Google. Okay. And I'm going to the Google and I'm just typing get Docker. Okay. Get Docker. When I'm going into this place, I'm pressing enter. Very first, not this one. Yeah, second one. Okay. Docker install script. Okay. This tab will be open. Okay. I'm just searching. I'm just going into that. And as soon as I open, there is a one script is written here. With the help of scripting approach, the Docker will get installed in the machine. All the first lines are commented, but in this commented line only the steps has been mentioned here. Download the script, verify the script, and run the script. Okay, that's it. Means download this code. Okay, whatever the code is there, download this code or download this script. If you want to read it, you can read with the help of cat command, and with the help of sh command you can install this script or you can execute this script. Okay, I'm also doing the same activity. Okay, I am logging into the machine. And in between, let's understand this command. Okay, line number 2 command. Line number 2 is telling curl, go to this website. Okay, go to this website, getdocker.com. In this website, whatever has been written, put it into this file, getdocker.sh. I am taking the same command and I am executing into my machine. Okay, I took the same command. Okay, let it get logged in. Okay.
Or instead of this curl, we can also use wget command.
Devanshu, give me the difference between what is wget and what is curl. There is a difference. Give me the answer.
Currently not striking, so
Wget, why we used, when we used wget?
so to fetch the data from the internet. Means
No,
to
your answer is not completely correct.
download any of the file. I
To
mean,
download the file from the internet, we use wget, correct?
correct.
But here, where is the file? We don't have any file. It's a script, okay? It's a code. So we are just fetching the code. That's why we are using the curl command. Make sense?
Okay. Okay.
At this point in my current folder, only snap folder is there, nothing is there. When I run this command, curl command, okay, curl will go to this website and download whatever has been written. Enter, it has been written into this file, getdocker.sh ls. Okay, and you can see here one file has been downloaded. I'm not doing anything from my side. Whatever has been written here, I'm just doing the same activity. I'm not doing anything new because it's already written into the Google. So I'm just executing the same thing. Okay. Cool. After that, let's check if Docker is available or not. Docker Docker -v. I'm checking that Docker is not available in my machine. Looks good. Okay. Now my requirement is I want to, I have downloaded this file. I want to execute this file. Can anyone help me out? How to install or how to run this .sh file?
Sir, by writing sh
Hmm?
and then the name of the file, that is get
Hmm.
docker.sh.
Makes sense? Yes, sh, okay, or whatever is the file name. I'm just giving this file name, okay. As soon as I press enter, my Docker will be installed. Sir, any problem if I will run this script into the or in the CentOS, if I will run this into the Ubuntu, because the script is same, but how come you are running into the different environments? Give me the answer. Guys, give me the answer. One of the favorite interview question. Go ahead, go ahead.
Sir,
Yeah,
Docker
apt
is
is a package
platform
manager
independent.
for the.
Arun, go ahead.
That's Docker is platform independent. The command is
No,
same
no,
for.
no, 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 no. Can be possible answer, but not an exact answer. Think it, guys, think it. You all are human being. Think it. It's not a technical question. How come it is running? It can be a fresher level question also. Same script can run into the CentOS and same script can run into the Ubuntu as well. How come it is possible? Devanshu, give it the answer, please. You have a capability to go for 20 lakh or 30 lakh package also. Yes. If you will give the correct answers, obviously, yes. Go ahead.
So you are asking to me, right?
Yes, I'm asking to you.
Okay. Like you were saying that it can be run because like sir, in the code I think I have gone through the code. It is all the if conditions.
That's it. Done. Your answer is 100% correct. Guys, think it. If you get a time, if I'm slow, you have a capability, you can go to the internet and find out the answers as well. Divanshu already given the answer. If you will open the code, because some people are joining from the mobile phone, that's really not good. Okay. Some people are only dependent on me. That's also not good. If you will see the code, there are all the if conditions are there. Okay. If this, if this, if this, if this. Okay. Everywhere the if conditions has been mentioned means if it's not on Ubuntu, run it on this. If this version is not available, run on this version. All the if condition has been mentioned into this. This is the answer. I get it from the Divanshu. Cool. Now I'm just executing this script. As soon as I press enter, it will say, it will search it, whatever the environment it is, whatever it is, and it will get downloaded, and Docker will get downloaded into my machine. I speak for a lot, but the solution is, the thing is only this thing. Download and run it. That's it. Clear? Yes, no.
Yes.
Sir, the installation with that apt install command and with this script is different or is it same
It's a different approach. Okay.
approach?
Yes. Okay.
So that means we cannot use APT for the Docker.
Your choice, man. Your choice. You can use anything. You can use this. You can use this. You can use this. Your choice. Anything. Whatever you want. I am teaching you the multiple ways. Make sense? Yes or no? Sir, can I drive my car with the right hand? Sir, can I drive the car with the left hand? Sir, your choice. Yes or no? Sir, can I park my car here or can I park here? Anywhere, man, wherever you want to park. Agree? Yes or no?
Yeah, it's alternative way to install Docker.
Alternative way. Simple alternative way. Okay. That's why I'm telling approach one, approach two, multiple approaches. Okay. Cool. Now my Docker will be get installed in my machine. Okay, let's see. Yes, I'm just running the docker-v command and let's see. Docker is installed. Yes, Docker version 25.03 has been installed with the help of scripting approach. Cool. Now, if the Docker has been installed, I would like to explain you the architecture of Docker. In the last classes, we have seen these commands. Okay, but today we will do the practical and you will understand everything. Okay, so to going into the practical, what I'm doing it, I'm teaching you the approach. Okay, I'm creating your very first container. With the help of container creation, you will understand the architecture diagram. Okay, I'm just running the docker ps-a command. Guys, what will happen? Give me the answer quickly.
Sir, it will show all the
Files,
images which are archived as well.
All the containers, whatever is
all the
archived or
containers.
all the running Docker running processes, it will show if it's archived as well. Cool, good. If I will run the docker images command, what will happen?
Sir, it will show all the downloaded images from the
Correct.
Docker hub.
It will show whatever the images is available in my this environment. At this point, nothing is running. At this point, nothing image is available. Correct? It's completely empty because this is a new environment. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now I'm going to the Docker Hub, DOCKER Docker Hub. We already created the account. I'm going into the Docker Hub. What exactly the Docker Hub is? Give me the answer quickly.
Sir, a central repository where all the images are kept.
Cool. Yes, it's a central hub repository where all the images are kept. Good. Now I'm going into the one image that is called hello world. And what will happen with the help of this command? New person. I don't need a Divanshu. I need a new person. What will happen if I will run this command? Guys, please.
Sir, it will
Hello,
pull the
hello
images
all.
from the Docker.
It will pull the image from the Docker Hub. Cool. I'm just running the command docker pull hello world, and what will happen? The image will be pulled in my environment. Cool. How can I verify it? Give me the answer quickly.
Docker images.
Docker image.
Correct. I run the docker images command and I can able to see that yes, one image is available in my environment. Cool. Looks good. Okay. I downloaded the image. Okay. Now I'm just checking the processes also. I downloaded the image. It is running or not. At this point, Docker PS is not giving any answer, or Docker PS-A also not giving, means it is not running. It's only a image. Agree, everyone till now?
Yes.
Okay, cool, good. Okay. Now, what will happen if I will run this command? Docker run hello world. I already given the answer in the last class. What will happen if I will run this command?
It will start the hello world image and
Give the
So
better.
it will make a container.
The image
It will
It
make it
runs
into
the
a
the-
image
container.
will sir, the image will turn into the container.
Super. Good. Okay, the image will become the container. Okay, chalo. Now I'm taking this architecture diagram. I'm opening a paint. Okay, and I'm explaining this container. I'm explaining this architecture diagram to you. Okay, this architecture diagram has been divided into three parts. Okay, the part one, okay, part two, and part three. Okay, part one, which is my machine, my terminal. Okay, part two, the daemon. Okay, DEMON. Okay, part three, the Docker Hub. Okay, or daemon means what is daemon?
So daemon is a kind of process, I guess, in Linux, which
Correct.
are the background processes.
Correct. Background process or background software is running, right? Okay. Daemon is the background process or some service of Docker is running, that is called daemon area. Okay. Terminal where I'm running the command. Hub, okay, HUB, where all the images are available. Are you able to understand the three different parts? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'm running all the commands here, docker run, docker pull, whatever it is. Okay, docker run, docker build, or whatever the commands I have to run, I'm running in my terminal. Where is the terminal, sir? Here is the terminal where I'm running all the commands. Cool. Chalo. Now I'm running one more command. Okay. What is this command? Guys, be very careful. As soon as I will run, something happen in front of you. Okay. I'm taking the command docker run hello world. As soon as I will run this command, okay, as soon as I will press this command, okay, so many things will happen. Okay, I'm pressing the enter. As soon as I press enter, something happened and it's executed and completed also. Sir, what happened? We are not able to understand. Yes, he has written the answer. The Docker client connected to the Docker daemon. Okay, means as soon as I run the command, docker run command here, okay, this is the client connected to the Docker daemon. In the line number one, point number one, it has been written. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Cool. The point number two has written the Docker daemon pull the hello world image from the Docker Hub. Docker daemon reach to the Docker Hub, okay, and he pull the image. But in my case, if the image is already available, with you, it will not go into that place and it will directly check the image from this place itself. The hello world image is available. Make sense? Yes or no? The line number two. Are you agree? Yes or no? Are you yes,
So
no?
like if the image is not downloaded in the first place, it will be downloaded from here, the hub.
Yes, if it's not available in my environment, it will go to the Docker Hub and it will download it. If it's already available, it will directly check in my local environment itself that you already have the image. Why should I download it again? Not required. Cool. Now, line number three. What is the point number three? The Docker daemon created a new container from the image which run and executed the executable and give the output to you. Okay, means in short, I will break this thing. Docker daemon created a new container from the image. Okay, means this is the image. Okay, from this image, the container has been created. Okay, from this image, the container has been created. Okay, nice. Okay, from this container, you are reading some output. From where this output has been came? This output has been came from the running. What is container? Container is a running entity, correct? Right? It's run. That's why the output has been came, and the output you are seeing in the terminal or you are seeing into your screen. Okay, because of the container. Line number 3, you are reading, which runs the executable. It executed the images, and whatever the output you are reading, this is coming from the container. Cool. The Docker stream the output to the Docker client. Docker daemon. This Docker daemon. This is the Docker daemon. Okay. It stream the output to the terminal. It stream the output to the terminal, which you are reading it into the screen. Yes, whatever we are reading into the screen, it is coming from the container. These are the 4 points. Have you understood these 4 points? Yes, no,
Yes, sir.
everyone. Joseph,
Yes.
Kamal,
Yes, sir.
right? If you understood this point, this is the architecture of Docker. What will happen? Very first, you are running all the commands into this place. This time I'm taking the orange color. Okay. Whatever the commands you are running, which it will run into the client place or terminal place. As soon as whatever the command you will get executed, it will go with the help of Docker daemon. Okay. It will go to the Docker hub. If the image is not available, it will download the image. Okay. It will download the image, and the image will be available in your environment with the help of Docker images. You can see that. After that, if you will run the command, docker run run, okay, if your execution is run command, this image will get converted into the container, or whatever the container is supposed to do, he will do the activity, and you will only able to see the output into the your terminal. Okay, this thing happen when we will run any of the container, and this is the architecture diagram of the Docker. Cool. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool, nice. Okay, now I have
Sir,
run
this
one.
given process we can see, like, do we have any details for this?
What details? Full detail is here now. All the points has been written here. What details you need?
No, this is the like the explanation of the architecture. This daemon process is something like we can see
You
it on the
already
UI.
you only told that domain is a background process, correct?
And to
Yeah,
manage the
yeah.
all components, Docker
Correct.
components.
See, software. I see. If you are confused with that keyword daemon, I told service, or I can call as a Docker software. Docker software is doing this activity for us.
Okay.
If you are not technical thing, you don't want to go into the daemon keyword, you can give the answer Docker service. That is also correct. Okay. But if you will give the Docker service keyword, they will give the 10 lakh package or 5 to 10 lakh package. If you will say that daemon, yes, it's a good technical keyword, you will ask 15 lakh package. It depends on you, how you want to explain the thing. Yes, Anju, go ahead.
Engine
Because-
is same.
Because
Anju, go
where we
ahead.
can see that this running application, like, we run the Docker run hello world, but
Everything, see, everything you will able to see on your client terminal only. You have to run the command. Tell me the command. Tell me the command.
Docker run hello world.
Docker run hello world is to run the
Sorry,
container.
that
Okay.
service.
You
Yeah,
have to run the
Docker
Docker
PS.
ps-a command. If you will run it, yes, you will able to see that yes, it has been executed 5 minutes ago, and I am explaining the thing from the last 5 minutes. Yes or no?
Yes, Vikas. But my thing is, like, we are running this hello world, but where we can see the result, like,
Man, result already
what is
came.
the application?
Result already came. Here is the result, and here is the container. What you are searching? You are searching container, or you are searching the output. Output already came here. Okay, and the container is here.
Okay, got it.
So what you are looking? Tell me.
No. I was just like, we run the hello world, but where is the output?
Output
Output of the hello world
already
is
came.
something like that.
Output already came, and the container is showing is here. Here is the container. Because of that, it has been came.
Okay, got it.
Cool. Now, Nisha, you are telling something. Go ahead. Ask your question first.
Docker daemon is Docker engine also
Correct.
same.
Yes, correct.
Yeah,
You are understanding. Correct. Okay. Because if you will see here, I written daemon, I written Docker host or Docker engine. That is also correct. Not a big deal. Cool. Now I have already created a container. Now, how you can create the container? If someone will ask, you can run the Docker run command, and the container will get created for you. That's it. Okay. So now I'm going little bit more deeper into it. Okay. Now I'm creating a one more container which is called Ubuntu. Okay. I am running the Docker images command. What will happen with the Docker images command? Give me the output. Whatever the images are available in my environment, it will be showing here, right? I have only one image, hello world. That's it, right? Now I'm taking this command, docker run -it. Okay. Docker run Ubuntu? What is Docker run Ubuntu? Can anyone give me the answer?
Sir, like it will download and execute both it will do.
Correct. Super. Good answer. Okay. Now something new came into the picture. -IT. What is this?
Interactive mode.
Correct. What is interactive? What is the English meaning of interactive? English meaning.
Sir, it will tell us that whether you want to run it or not.
I'm not getting. Can you repeat it again?
Sir, it will ask, interactive means you want to run this container or
Okay.
it,
Interactive means you can talk with the container or you can perform the activity inside the container. Correct? Interactive
yes.
keyword. Okay. So if I will run with this command, what will happen? Guys, think it. Imagine. The correct answer you will get in the next 1 or 2 seconds. But what exactly will happen if you will run this command? I will be talking with the Ubuntu container itself directly. Yes or no? I think Sanju answer will be get cleared. Okay, if I will run this command, Control Z. Okay, I'm taking this command. Okay, and I'm running it. At this point, I'm into the instance one machine and with the root user. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm running the command docker run -it Ubuntu. Okay. Pressing the enter and you can read all the points. Okay. What will happen? It is unable to find the image locally. Okay. So he went to the Docker Hub library. He pulled the image and I'm inside the Ubuntu already, right? Earlier I was into the instance one machine. Now I'm inside the Ubuntu machine itself. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because I written the -it command.
Icon.
I told that I want to talk with the Ubuntu container itself. So I'm inside the container itself. Cool. Okay. Now, sir, how can I come out from the container? Give me the answer. How can I come out?
No, sir, exit.
EXIT. I just write exit and I will be out. Okay. Right now I'm into this F5F. I'm coming enter and I'm into the instance. Means I came to my machine itself. Good. Okay. Now, what I did in the last couple of seconds, I went inside the Ubuntu container and I come out. Okay. Now, how to check it? This container is available or not? How can I verify it? Give me the command.
Docker.
PS.
Docker PS. But with the Docker PS, it is not showing anything. Answer.
Image.
Docker
Image.
Docker PS
X-
-a.
Yeah.
Image all.
Image is a different thing, container is a different thing. Okay. I'm performing the activity on the container. When it is running, it's a container. Okay. I'm checking with the docker ps-a command, and you will able to say that yes, this is the Ubuntu thing. About 1 minute ago, it has been executed. 45 seconds ago, it has been exited. Okay. The new keyword came exited. Means what is exited? I run the exit command.
Not
I run the exit command. Okay. That's why it has been exited. Agree? Yes or no? 45 seconds ago, I run the exit command inside it. So it has been exited. Correct? Yes, no, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is telling the Ubuntu container was running about 1 minute ago. It has been created and it has been executed from the 45 seconds. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me, is this a running? It's running or not at this point?
No, sir,
not running. Not running.
It's not running. Correct. Okay. Because if it's running, where I can see, I can see with the help of docker ps command. Okay. If it's running state, we will able to see with the help of docker ps command. It is not running. That's why it is showing into the executed state. Now, what will be the command? My simple question, I want to start this container again. What can be the command?
Start.
Correct. DOCKER okay, and give the container name ID. Okay. F5F. Where is it? F5F. Yes, F5F was the correct. Okay. So I'm taking docker start and I'm again starting it. As soon as I press enter, what will happen? It has been started. Now, if I will run the docker ps command, earlier with the docker ps command, I'm not getting any output. Yes or no? Guys, see it. I'm not getting any output. Agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm running the docker ps command and you will able to see that 3 minutes ago it has been created, but 15 seconds ago, from the 15 second, it is in running state. I started the container as well. So what is the command? If you want to start it, docker start is the command. Clear? Yes, no.
Sir, can't we
Yeah.
start with Docker run?
Docker run will create a new container again. Go to the basics. Go to the basic again. Docker run will create a new container again. I don't want to create a new container. I want to use the same container. So I am starting it. Make sense, Devanshu?
Okay.
Basics,
Okay.
guys. Focus on the basics.
But sir, like if we will start, if we will type Docker run Ubuntu and Ubuntu is already in our machine, so one more container of Ubuntu will be created.
Devanshu, go back to the basics again. Okay. If you will run the run command here, okay, what everything it will follow, right? It will check the image is available or not. If the image is already available, he will create a new container.
Yeah, so that's what I mean, that it will create a different container of
Yes, yes, it will
Ubuntu.
create a new container. Okay,
Of
I don't
Ubuntu.
want to
Okay.
go into the new container again. Okay, it's a waste for me. Means unnecessary new containers means I'm unnecessarily creating a resources which is not useful. I can use the same thing which is already created. Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Chalo. Now what I did it, I started it and I'm able to see it. Now guys, one of the basic interview question again, how can I go inside this container again? I know people don't know this answer, no problem. I'm going to teach to you, okay? But how can I go inside this container again? Give me the answer.
Docker exe execute.
Okay, chalo. Divanshu already know the answer. Ignore Divanshu. New person. Guys, have you understood my question? Can anyone repeat the question? Guys, repeat the question.
How to get inside the container?
Correct. That's my question. This is a container, running container. I want to go inside it. Okay. How can I go? The command I'm
Docker
giving.
run it and name of the container.
Sriram, answer is wrong because if you will run the command again, docker run, it will create a new container. I want to
Okay.
go into the current container, which is this one, okay, which has been created 3 minutes ago. I want to go inside this container only. Okay, so the command is you have to go and run this command. I'm explaining you this command. Okay, I'm putting into my notepad. Docker exe -it. I want to go inside it. I want to talk with him in an interactive mode. Which container you want to go? I have to give the container ID. Okay, and it's a Linux container, so I'm talking with the bash. Okay, bash terminal of the container. So I'm just taking this command docker exe -it. I'm putting it here. Okay, and I'm taking the container ID. The container ID is showing here. Okay, and I'm writing the bin bash again. Okay, bin bash because it's a Linux machine, so it will get executed into the bash. As soon as I press this enter, I'm into the instance one at this point. As soon as I press enter, I'm again into the container. Got it? Means exe -it command, with the help of that, I can go inside the container. Cool? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, now again it's a Ubuntu machine. Obviously, yes, I downloaded the Ubuntu. It's a Ubuntu machine. Okay, it's a container, but it's a machine. Okay, now what I can do in this thing, whatever you want to do, you can do it. apt update. What will happen if I will run the apt update command?
The packages.
It will update all the packages.
It will update all the packages inside this container, in this Ubuntu container. Yes. Okay, all the packages inside this Ubuntu container will be get updated. If I will run this command apt install git -all, what will happen? Answer.
Yeah, it will install the Git
It will install the git inside this container.
container.
Okay, cool. Now, if I will run this apt install ansible, what will happen?
Yeah, it will install the Ansible.
It will install the ansible inside this container. Okay, chalo, let's do it. Okay, it will take time. 12%, 30. Whatever activities I'm doing it at this point, I'm doing into the Ubuntu container. Okay, I'm not doing any activity into the machine. Okay, inside this machine. Okay, Inside this machine, Docker is there. With the help of Docker, the Ubuntu container is running, and I'm doing all the activity inside this container
Container.
only. Correct. Okay, cool. Where is my region? Belong to the 6. I'm pressing enter. I'm belong to the 40 Dubai. No. Okay. We belong to the India 44. Okay. So Kolkata I'm giving, and it is asking the information with me. Okay. So I just provided it, and yes, my Ansible, my Git, whatever I want to install, I can install inside this container. I'm running the apt install Ansible. My Ansible will get installed inside this machine. Okay, it is asking 300 MB software. Yes, and I'm pressing enter. 300 MB will be downloaded and it will get installed inside this container. Okay. What I want to say that you can create a container, whatever you want to do, you can do with the help of this container. Agree? Yes or no? Yes, no. Cool. Now I want to compare the difference. Okay. The virtual machine, it is running on some server hardware. There is a host operating system will be required. After that, hypervisor will be required. Then we have to take the size of the operating system. Then we can put the binary library or Ansible, Git, or whatever it is we want to install, we can install it. Correct? Yes or no? In case of Docker also, very similar thing. Server, yes, hardware will be required. Obviously, yes, hardware will be required. After that, guest operating system will be required. Yes, it's required. We taken it. Okay. In place of hypervisor, Docker engine or Docker software will be there. Here, the size of guest operating system is negligible here. Okay, which is not at all any size. Why I'm telling this very negligible size? I will prove that. Okay, in the next 5 minutes, I will prove that. After that, whatever the binary application you want to use it, you can use it. What is the biggest size has been reduced here? The guest operating system size, which is of 15-20 GB, right? 5 to 10 GB size has been reduced here. Agree? Yes or no? This was the biggest difference coming in virtual machine and Docker. Sir, operating system was here also, but why you are not showing it here? This is not my image. This is official image of Docker. They are also not showing. Okay. The reason why they are not showing, because they are telling that the size of the operating system is very less. Chalo. Sir, can you prove that? I can prove that. Guys, how to check everything has been installed into this machine? I'm typing exit and I'm coming out. Okay. Now, guys, I want to see the size of the images. What can be the command? Any idea? If I'm running this command docker images and I'm pressing enter, you will able to see that my Ubuntu is of 77 MB only. The base operating system is of 77 MB only, which can perform all the activity which the actual Ubuntu is able to do it. Yes or no? The actual Ubuntu is happening of the 7 GB and here it is 77 MB only. How much is the difference? Yes, 7 GB. This is the actual size of 7 GB. 77 MB, guys. MB.
10%.
10% only? Yeah, it's a 10% only. Okay. The size is only 10% smaller. Okay, cool. Now, sir, can you help me out? It's Ubuntu. What about CentOS? Guys, I hope you understood that if you will give the name Docker pull CentOS, what will happen?
It will fetch the image only.
Okay, I'm just pulling it CentOS image. Okay, let's see. Okay, and it will take some couple of seconds. CentOS image has been pulled. Okay, Docker images, and you can able to see that CentOS is of 231 MB. Okay, pulling the image or playing with the image is very easy at this point. Okay, chalo. Now, guys, another simple question. This 13.3 KB is also image. Guys, yes or no? 13.3 KB is also image.
Yes.
Is that possible? 13.3 KB is of image size with operating system. Yes, that is also possible. That's why it is called negligible. This size is negligible. Yes or no? Guys, give me the answer. As compared to 5 GB, this size is negligible. Yes, no?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me, go to the Google, open question. Okay. Go to the Google, give me the answer. which is the most popular or lightweight operating system available into the market, into the Docker Hub? Lightweight operating system. Go ahead.
Sir, Alpine.
Alpine. Okay. You don't want to give the opportunity to others to find into the internet? Devanshu, next time give the opportunity. Okay. Is that okay, Devanshu? Personal request for you.
Yeah.
Alpine Linux,
Yes,
Alpine
Linux.
Linux.
Yes. Alpine. Okay. Can you give me the answer? How much will be the size of Alpine?
5 MB.
Yeah, it required not more than the 8 MB, I think.
Correct. Around 5 to 7 MB is the size of an operating system which is going to be used or which is using in lot of companies. Okay. What is the name? Alpine. Okay. Alpine. Okay. Alpine operating system. Okay. Size. Okay. If you will see here, around 5 MB is the size, and Alpine is a lightweight Linux distribution which contain only 5 GB of disk space, simple, fastest, secure, minimal dependency, and it is the smallest image available with the help of efficient Docker image. Okay, 5 MB is the Docker image which is using into the production environment nowadays. Okay, that's why I'm comparing it, and I'm telling that this is of 5 GB and now coming to the 5 MB only. Agree? Biggest difference is there or not?
Yes.
Okay, that's why Docker become very, very popular. Docker is giving the highest package job into the market. Cool. Chalo. Now I'm going more deeper into it. Okay. If any guys understand this image, if my container is in running state, okay, I created the container, it will be into the running state. If it's stopped, you can restart it again with the help of start command. You can start it again. If the container is running, you want to stop, you can run the stop command and it will get stopped. Okay, you can pause it also. Okay, like a hibernate, if you want, you can pause it also, but not very common approach. If you want to stop, you can stop, or you want to start, you can start it. Okay, if you will run the kill command, it will be completely killed. Okay, the kill is very equivalent to the remove. Okay, ps not rm. Okay, if you will run the rm command, it will get removed as well. This is the life cycle of the container. Pause is also possible. Pause and unpause is also possible. If you will run the pause, it will be into the hibernate state. It will not perform any activity, but it will be available for you. Okay. But if you will unpause, it will get again into the running state. Okay. But common approach is stop, because while running it, if you will run the exited command, it will get stopped, and exited we will use into the real time, and it get stopped, and then you can start the command. You can run the start command and it will get started again. This is the life cycle of a container. Okay. Any question from here? Critical question? Are yes, no, please fast. Or it's pretty obvious? Yes or no? Self-understandable.
Yes.
Cool. Okay. How to perform all this activity? There are commands: pause, stop, kill, rm-f, rmi, start. Okay. Pause. If you will pause the container ID, it will get paused. Stop, kill, remove the image, remove the container, remove the image. When you will use the I command, here the image name you have to provide. Okay, if you will give the container ID, command is wrong. Okay, I means image, so you have to provide the image. If you want to start, you can run the start command. Okay, these are the some container related commands. Okay, you can practice it by own. Okay, now I want to go into the application state. Okay, now that we have just played with the image and container. Okay, now sir, only image and container we are not very happy. I want you to create some applications where we will able to see the things. So we are going to create a Nginx based image in some couple of seconds. Okay, till now all good? Any question?
Yes, all good.
Okay, cool. Can we take a small break so that we will go into the more deeper side? Okay, now application phase of the images will come into the picture. Okay, and I'm giving a 1 minute homework. Find out the answer from the internet. What is Nginx?
Because I have one question regarding the pause. It will the container will run, but it will stop all the services or what?
Hibernate.
Hibernate. Okay.
Yes, it's very equivalent to the Hibernate. Okay, you cannot create a new service. The running services will be into the running state only. You cannot stop anything. Okay, if whatever is the current state, it will be the same state only. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Kind of hold. Okay. Next question. Anyone else? Any other question?
What's the difference between Docker kill and Docker RM? Both are same, right?
Same. Okay. Same. Okay. We will see in a technical keyword, we will call as a kill. Okay. But when there is no, see, in the Docker, there is no kill command. Okay. There is a command, but we will use as a RM command. Okay. So both are same. I see in some previous batches, I was writing everything here. Okay. But it is confusing lot. So I'm not writing here. Okay. RM and kill, you can understand is a similar kind of thing. Okay.
Like kill is used to kill the process.
Kind of correct. But here it's not process, right? It's a container.
Yeah.
So it will indirectly it will just kill the container only, right?
Okay.
Yep. Any other question? Okay, no problem, guys. Can we take a small break? How many minutes? Please tell me. 3, 4, 5.
5.
5. Chalo, let's go for 5 minutes. Okay. Please come back in 5 minutes. Okay. We have to go into the application side. Okay. And Kumar, I want to talk with you. Kumar Reddy. Kumar, you are a student, registered student. Please let me know.
Hi Vikas.
Yeah.
No, I'm experienced.
Kumar, how many classes you have already attended with us?
Like 10.
Kumar, we will not allow you to attend the more classes. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah, fine.
And you are not responding to the Shikha as well. Sorry, please. Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. If you are really interested to come to the class, please come to the batch.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you. M Ram. Ram, you are my student. M Ram. M Ram, please admit and tell me. M Ram. Okay, chalo, no problem. Okay, cool. Shriram has already given the answer. Chalo, Nisha, we will see your problem. Okay, we will see your question. Okay, at the last. Thank you.
Okay.
Guys, time is up. I hope you all are back. Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Okay, now give me the answer. What is NGNX? First. Give me the answer.
It is a proxy web server that runs in the backend.
Okay, yeah. What else? What else? Yeah. Guys, until unless you will not speak, you will not get any offer. Okay, it's very straightforward. Okay, you have to speak up. Go ahead. And that nothing is simpler than this type of question, that what is NGNX, because I given a 5-minute duration also to find out the answer. Please speak up. Go ahead. Nazim, give me the answer. Sanju, please fast. Sunil.
Sir, it's a very popular web server that can work as a reserve proxy.
Okay, it's a very popular web server. Okay, I get the answer, web server. Okay, when I'm talking about the web server, something we can able to see over the internet. Agree. Okay, it can work as a proxy, it can work as a caching server, it can work as a load balancer, it can work as a web server, it can work as an application server for multiple different things. It can be able to handle the HTTPS or HTTP traffic as well over the internet. Cool. Okay, now I want to create a NGINX web server in front of you. I have a Docker already running. Okay, if I will run this command docker pull NGINX, what will happen?
It will pull from Docker Hub.
It will
Docker
pull,
Hub.
it will pull that NGINX image from the Docker Hub. Sir, how come you are getting this command? I don't know. No problem. You can go to the Docker Hub. You can
And
go
put
to
the
the
NGNX.
correct. Okay, go to the Docker Hub website. Okay, if you don't know that command also, go to the Docker Hub. What you need nginx. Okay, just search it. There are so many nginx image will be there. Okay, whatever is the official, if you can see the 10K 1 billion downloads. Yes, this is the official one. Logo is also coming, and here is the command docker pull nginx. If you will run this command, nginx image will be pulled in my environment. Okay, if you want to read it more, the more details are available here. Okay, where is the code of this thing, or whatever the issues, whatever the things, whatever is the nginx, how to run it, how to whatever you want to do it, all the things will be mentioned into this place. Okay, but my main requirement, I want the image, so I'm just running the docker pull image command, and it will get pull the image in front of you. Okay, I'm just pressing enter, and you will able to see that latest pulling from the library nginx, and it has been pulled. Okay, if I will run the docker images command, I will able to see that nginx has been downloaded in front of me, which is of 187 MB. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Now, if this is the image, if I will run this command, what will happen? Docker run nginx. Guys, you have to be very
Then
careful with the basics. Okay, again the basics will come into the picture. Yes, Docker run nginx. What will happen?
Container is created.
Container will be get created. Okay, cool. Nginx is the web server. Correct? Means it should run into some IP. Yes or no? Yes or no? This is the basic.
yes, sir. Local, yeah, local
Not local
host.
man. It's this
No,
machine. Okay.
yeah, okay.
This IP. Okay. It should run into this IP. Okay. Double column 80. I'm giving it and I'm checking it. It is running. No, it is not running. Okay. I'm checking it again. Okay. And no, it's not working for me. Chalo, no problem. Right now, nothing is working. I'm just running the docker run nginx command. I'm pressing enter. What will happen with this? Image will become the container, correct? And it has been become, and it is telling that yes, nginx is working. Okay, the started working process, started, it is showing. Is the nginx running for me? Guys, can you check into the your UI? It is running. For me, it is not working. What about you?
No, sir. It's not running. No.
Correct, it is not working. What is the problem here? Give me the answer.
The port 80 is allowed.
The port 80 need to add in the firewall.
Okay, see, means something related to the port is a issue. Okay, correct. Okay, I am telling my VM port is allowed. Okay, I checked it. My VM port is allowed, which we have seen in the AWS classes. That's not the issue. Okay, some other issue is here. Think it.
Sir, on the container, it is not allowed.
Okay, yes. Okay, there are two ports. Now we have to play with the two port. This is a container port and this is virtual machine port. You have to map the virtual machine port with the container port. Okay. So you have to write
Run
it. You have to write it
Docker run.
-p. No. You have to write -p 80 port. You want to map it to port 80.
Yeah.
Okay. So in this command, you have to just pass this parameter also. Okay. Chalo. I am doing the same thing.
So
Okay.
what is the meaning of -p?
You have to add the port.
Okay.
Adding the port. You only given the answer, not me.
Yeah, adding the port.
No, I have just told that 80 is the port number on which the Nginx runs.
Correct. So if you will write direct 80, it will not understood, right? -p is a key extension that you want to add the port. -p 8080 means container port has to be mapped with the virtual machine port.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm taking this command. Guys, have you understood this command? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
If you understood this command, I'm going back and whatever is running, I'm just typing exit, Control C, Control X. Yes, I'm coming out. docker ps nginx is not running. Okay, looks good. Now, if I will run the command docker run -p 80 or nginx, let's see, and I'm pressing enter. Okay, guys, can you quickly check and confirm me anything is working on this 141 IP for you? Quickly check it, everyone.
No.
No, right? Nothing working for you? For me also
Ah,
not.
not working, sir.
We are on the same place. Nothing is
Yeah.
working for me. Okay. Now I'm pressing the enter. As soon as I press enter, okay. Again, I'm getting same output. Till here, last time we are getting, but here you are able to see
Now
that
working.
yes, someone from the Safari browser, someone is a Mac user, someone is a Windows user, someone from the mobile phone also trying to access it. Okay. And let me refresh it.
Working.
It is working for me as well. It is working for you as well. And whoever is accessing it, your IP is showing here from wherever it is accessing it. See here, your IPs are coming here, guys. You are accessing from this IP. Someone is accessing from this IP. Whatever the activity you are doing in my server, I will able to track it. This is called which type of logs? Give the technical keyword of this logs.
Server log.
No, this is not a server log. Indirectly, it is a server log, but actual keyword I need.
Access log. Access log.
Access log, guys. This is access. You are accessing my web application. So the logs has been mentioned. Someone from the Mozilla browser is accessing, someone from the Chrome browser is accessing, someone from the Safari or whatever it is. Okay. Someone from Apple mobile phone is accessing, and I'm able to see the logs into my screen. Okay. This is called access log of my Nginx web server. Got it? Yes, no? Cool. Means everyone is accessing the home page. So you are most of the thing you are reaching to the favicon. Someone has clicked into this logo as well. Okay, favicon logo where it is. It is not showing, but there is a favicon logo is there. Okay, you will able to access. You are accessing with the help of that. And most of the people are in the get response. They are getting the 200 means you are able to access it. So I am able to see you are. I am getting the 200 access log. Okay, looks good. Okay, fine. Now my Nginx is up and running with the help of only this basic command. Is that okay? Basic Nginx has been run. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Chalo, let's go more deeper into it. Okay. How to go more deeper into it? I am okay still now. Chalo, I am coming out. Okay. I am coming out. Control C. Okay. DOCKERPS. As soon as I make the Control C, it is working. No man, it has been down. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? When I exited, it is
Yes.
out. Okay. I am checking with the Docker PS. No, it is not running. Docker PS -a. Okay. And you can see that exited 1 minute ago means this is the not this one man. Nginx. This is the one 2 minutes ago has been I was using it, right? And the name was coming some random name, relevant, tune, amazing, or something random names are coming, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone agree that some random name is showing into this place, and that's not good. I don't want the random name. I want the actual name, whatever I'm providing it, because I'm going to use into my production environment. So I want to give the name into this place. Tell me the answer. How come the name should come? Actual name. You just have to use the small logic. Okay. The logic says you have to just add like this. Okay. Let me take this command. Okay. I'm copying this.
Sir, why
And
2 Nginx are coming? Like
because
we
we
have
run,
only one.
Arey man, we run multiple times. First we run this Docker run Nginx. Okay. I was telling that have you checked it is working or not? Then again, I
Okay.
run the command docker run. It created a new container again.
Okay.
Got it? Yes
Okay.
or no?
Okay.
Guys,
Yes,
able
sir.
to understand? Basics. Always be in the basic. Okay. If your basic is clear, extra level or my advanced level answer will be get cleared. Okay. Cool. Now, the problem I am facing that some random name was coming. I don't want to give it. Okay. You know this command docker run. Okay. Docker run nginx. If I will put it here, control X. This is the command which we run last time. Okay. And it worked. Now I'm putting only this extra keyword also here. Hyphen name docker hyphen nginx. Okay. So what will happen? Now the name of the container will be from my side, whatever the name I want to provide it. Agree? Yes or no? Okay, cool.
Yes.
Next example, I'm going to create a container with my name only. Okay, means Docker Nginx, whatever the name I want to provide, I will provide it. Okay, cool. Chalo, I'm going here. Now, sir, I'm not very confident why the home page was very same. I don't know. I want to create a something my customized image. Okay, or my customized home page. You can do it. Now, for that, you have to just understand this 3-4 commands. Guys, you only have to explain me what is this line number 20 command. Go ahead. Because we have already learned the Linux. So I
It will create a directory.
it will
create
create
a
a directory. Yes.
And it will go to the directory CD after
It
that.
will create, see, why hyphen I'm writing hyphen p, it will create a 2 directories in one shot. Docker nginx and HTML. 2 directories will be get created with one command. Okay. What is this?
So we will navigate
Change
to
the
the
Change
directory.
directory. Change
Correct. We
directory
will
to that.
navigate or we are changing the
Change
directory
directly to
into
that.
this location. Cool. Okay. And with the help of VI, I'm just creating one file index.html. What will be the index.html file? Answer.
That's
Sir,
a index file where we can
it,
edit the home page.
sir, it is the
Web
Where you
application
can
form.
do
it
the
is the file
Default
which get
HTML.
reflected on the
HTML
browser.
code.
It's a home page of my Nginx. Correct. Default page,
yeah,
home page. Correct. Cool.
home
Fine.
page, and you can edit it in.
Correct. Cool. Good. Okay. So I'm running these 3 commands quickly. I don't want to waste your time. Okay. I'm coming here. Done. Okay. I created the folder. I'm going inside the folder. You can run cd or whatever you want. You can do that. Okay. And now I'm coming into this location. Okay. I went inside this folder. I'm typing ls and you can see here nothing is there. So I'm creating a new file here. Okay. With the vi index.html. If it's a new file, I need a in HTML code. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can go to the Google, find out any of the HTML code, ChatGPT, wherever you want. Okay. And I'm giving you some HTML code. This is the HTML code. In this HTML, what exactly is written? Hello, learning team of batch 33. Okay. We are batch 33. Okay. Guys, I need someone's of your name, please. Guys, tell me who are the most active users in this group. Devanshu, DEVNSHU. Okay. What else? Anyone else? 2-3 persons' names I need. You can say yourself you are active or not.
The Debian.
Devyan, chalo. Okay, Devyan. DBYN. I agree. Yes, Devyan is also active. Yes. Who else? See, people know each other. You have to
Sabir.
know each. Who?
Sabir.
Sabir. Yes, Sabir is also giving the answers. Correct. Okay. Nisha also sometime asks the questions. Okay, cool. Anyone else? Shriram. Yes, I know. Shriram. Who else?
Arun.
Arun. Okay. Arun, tell you ourselves only ARUN. Yes. Guys, be active, please. Okay. Chalo. Now I'm just writing your name in this place. Okay. As a heading, this is HTML code. Okay. Not a big deal. I'm just copying this code. I'm putting this code into this place. Tick, 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 tick. And I just pasted it and I just saved it. Done? Yes or no?
Sir.
Now, can I check it is working or not? Man, it is not working. What's the problem? Help me out, guys. Help me out. Why it is not working? How can I troubleshoot the Docker issues? Because next class will be completely troubleshooting. Okay. Next class will be advanced level of Docker and completely on the troubleshooting. Means I will give a problems to you. You have to solve it. So think it. What will be the problem here?
It is in exited state now. We have to run it.
Correct. I'm checking Docker PS. No, it is not running. Means it will not work. Agree. Chalo, cool. Fine. Your answer is correct. Okay. Now I am taking this command. Okay. What is this command? Okay. This command has a one more concept that is called volume. What is the English meaning of volume? Have you heard about this English meaning of volume?
The storage.
The storage. Yes, volume is a storage in the technical term of IT. Okay, means I'm telling this is my storage. Okay, this is my storage where my HTML file is available. This is my storage location. You have to map with your actual Nginx location. Okay, so what will happen? We will use this image. Okay, we will use this file. Okay, use this file, and rest of the command is very similar. Docker run. Okay, with this name on port 8080. Is this okay till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
If
sir.
this is, yeah, go ahead. Is this okay till now? Whatever I have highlighted, everyone understood this highlighted part?
Yes.
Okay. Hyphen D. What is the English meaning of hyphen D?
Detached.
Detached. Okay. Last time I'm able to see my server logs also. This time I don't want to. Okay. I'm detaching that server logs as well. Okay. It should run in the backend. I don't want to see it. Okay. That's why I'm writing hyphen D. Attaching the volume. This is the volume. Okay. My location to the container location. Okay. That's it. Okay. Virtual machine location to the container location. That's it. Attaching it. Okay. For the Nginx, I'm taking this command, copying this command, I'm pasting it here. Okay. And I'm pressing enter. What will happen if I will press the enter? Give me the answer. Docker Nginx name
Create a
container will be
container.
get created. It will run on port 80. It will
Port
be to the detach mode. The volume will be get connected with this. The default page should not come. My home page should come. Okay. I am pressing enter. As soon as I press enter, only one line came. Why only one line came? Why it is not pulling the image? Why the logs are not coming? It is not pulling
Because
the image
because of hyphen D.
Because it's
because of hyphen D, logs are not
hyphen D
coming.
detached.
Correct. Okay. Why only one line came? Why it is not telling pulling image and all these things? Because image was already there in my environment. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Okay. If this is docker ps command, I'm checking. Yes, something is running from the 29 seconds. Yes. Okay. It is running on port 80. Chalo, let's go to the port 80. Let's see. This is IP. Yes. And
Yes,
I'm
sir,
refreshing
okay.
it. My God, it is working. Our own home page is coming. Devanshu, Devyan, Sabir, and everyone's names is showing here. Means in short, I'm typing ls. This is the index.html file is giving the output. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And tell me, guys, it is a 5 years experience question. Okay, 5 years experience interview question. Listen the question very carefully. Okay, the question is, if the container will be removed, if the image will be removed, is this file will be removed, or is this file will be still available?
Still available.
Still available.
This will be still available because this is available into the virtual machine itself. Okay,
Yeah.
it's completely independent of the image. It is completely independent of the container as well. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Chalo. Now,
Because I have a question. See, when we use that Nginx, image, so we were able to, get that default Nginx website, right?
correct.
So why we created a new, like a index.html file?
Guys, is that possible? You will always use the same application or same homepage. You will use your own image, right? You will use your own homepage. See, this is my website. Okay, this is my website. I will put my data inside this. CLO. This is my website. I will put my data inside this. Yes or no? Why should I use the default? I'm using Nginx only into this place. Okay. Why should I use the home page only? I will use my data. This is my data. Correct? You got it?
Yeah, got it. But the same file we can do the modify also, right?
You can modify the same file also. But that time, if the container will be removed, if the image will be removed, that file also will be lost. Database should not be lost in any of the condition. Got it?
Okay.
Database should not be lost in any of the condition. So I'm using that concept, volume concept. Database should be independent of the container because container can go down. You can see here docker ps-a, and so many containers has been removed in the last half an hour, 1 hour, right? Yes or no? Correct?
Okay, even though if something happened to the Docker, then still our web
Our
content is in our
correct,
user share.
correct. Our developers, whoever has created, it will be always available as a volume. Got it? Clear? Are you yes, no? Satisfied with the answer, Sabir?
Yes, still I need to, do the practical, then I will come to.
You have to do the practicals, okay?
Yeah.
Chalo, cool. Now, guys, what is this? This is, sir, can I change again into this HTML code? It will get changed. Yes. Okay, chalo. I am taking the one more example. What is the example? I am going here. In this, I have some code, again HTML code. This is the code related to the Google. Okay. I am creating in front of you G google.com. Okay, I am taking this. This is a homepage of the Google. Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes,
Yes, sir, of course.
I want to find the code of this Google homepage. Give me the answer. How can I find the HTML
Right.
code of this?
The right
Right
click,
click, go to source.
Right click, then
the view page source.
view page source, and here is the code. Correct. This is the HTML code of my Google homepage. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, I can copy this. Yes, if you want, you can control a copy. Okay, but it has some backend and some licensing information also you cannot copy. You can do it, but it's not good advice. Okay, so I am taking the same variety of code, okay, which is of Google code only. Okay, I remove the licenses keyword, I remove the databases also, and I'm copying this code and I'm replacing into this file. Okay, ls vi. I want to replace this HTML code. How can I do it? Can you please help me out? I can open with the help of VI editor, correct? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
My requirement is very simple. Okay, earlier this code was coming. Okay, understand the question one more time. Earlier this code was coming. Okay, this thing was coming into my Nginx homepage. Now I want a Google homepage. Okay, so I have a Google code. Okay, what I'm doing it here, I'm opening vi index.html. Okay, whatever has been written, I want to delete it. So I'm just typing d and I deleted everything. Okay, now that file is empty. I am typing I, means I am going into the index mode. Correct? And I'm pasting it, Control V, and I pasted everything related to the Google page. Okay, see here, google.com, 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 google.com pages or google.com references are going. Advertisement, business, about, settings, privacy, terms and condition. Sir, can you show that all? Where is that? Yeah, offered, Google search, Google filling, about, advertisement, business, how search works. Yes or no? Terms and condition policy, these all things are there. Yes, same thing has been put it here. Escape, double column, WQ. Now I've saved this file. Is that okay till now?
Yes.
Now go to the now go to the UI and refresh this, please. What is coming? Tell me. My God, same only. Refreshed. Guys, can you refresh it? Same page, same IP.
Sir, so completely different. That's a Google, yeah, same.
Means we have taken the Google code, we just replaced one file. This is our Nginx, which is running as a Google HTML page. That's it. Means what I want to say that now you need only HTML code. You can replace with your code and your application is ready. Got it? Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
That's it. Yes. Okay. There is no backend of this, obviously, but yeah, the homepage of the Google has been created. Any question till now? Can we go more deeper into it?
Suppose this, hi sir. Suppose this container is created in the development environment, and while moving to another environment, only copying the container will not be enough. No, actually the file is in the virtual machine, so it has to be also copied and place it in the correct location.
Correct. Okay, correct. If you will use the volume concept, then you have to do the two things. Okay, image as well as this data. Correct. Okay. I will help you out in the next class. Pack everything into the single box. Even in the today's class also, we have 10 minutes. Yes, we will see something more. Okay. If all good, can we go more deeper into it? Yes, no?
Yes.
Chalo, looks good. So I am deleting everything. I am going to the my home page, empty page of the yes. Guys, in the last class or around 1 week back, we are creating something related to engine, something related to Jenkins, right? How we are creating the Jenkins into the Ubuntu machine? Please help me out. All the steps.
So first we
Just
have
to
to
install Java.
install the Java.
We
JDK.
have taken the operating system, we have taken the virtual machine, we have updating the packages, updating packages. Okay, after that
Yes.
JDK has to be installed.
JDK install.
Yes, what else?
Then
Get the
Jenkins.
key.
Then some
Jenkins key.
Jenkins key has to be get added. Okay, some source also will be added. URSE source will be get added. Then again updating the packages. Yes or no? After that, Arey yes, give me the answers, guys. After that, what to do?
So,
Sir, we installed the Jenkins.
Are you guys doing
Jenkins.
the practicals? Tell me very clearly, guys. Are you doing the practicals?
Yes.
Only one person. What about others?
Yes, done.
Okay, if done, then answer should come. Okay, this all things manually we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7 steps. Okay, now this is called manual approach. I agree. Yes, yes. If someone developer pack everything, all these things into the single box, that is called image. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Let us assume this is the image of Jenkins. If I will run the docker run command, what will happen? What will happen?
Jenkins container is going to create.
Jenkins container will get created. Okay. All these things has been packed into the single thing that is called image. Where is that image? I'm going here into the Google. I'm going into the Docker Hub only. Okay. I'm typing Jenkins, Jenkins. Okay. And if you will see here, yes, Jenkins image from the last 6 years, it has been created. 5,000 pulls every time happen. Okay. This is the official one. Okay. This is also verified, but this is the official one which has this many pulls. Okay, I'm going here. This is the official Jenkins image is available. If I will run this command docker pull Jenkins, what will happen? My Jenkins image will be pulled in my environment. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Docker pull Jenkins means this image will be get pulled. Okay. After that, I will just run the run command and it will get executed and it will run. Okay, cool. I'm coming down. Oh my God, they have not given any commands or all this. It's very bad. They are supposed to given. Chalo, leave it. I am giving you. Okay. I am going here. I am taking this command. Okay. Now you have to help me out. Explain me what will happen with the help of this command because I feel you understood the commands of Docker. Yes. Please explain me.
Sir, it will run the command.
First, explain me the line number 29. What will happen with the line number 29?
Sir, it will run the Jenkins image, which we have downloaded on this port.
Correct. And it will be run on port 8080. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Cool. Now, what is -IT or D?
Sir, -IT, like we will go inside that container, and -D means we will not be able to see the logs. The logs will be in the background.
Correct. Okay. Means I will go inside it and every activity, not only logs, every activity will be detached. Okay. Whatever is supposed to become, it will be detached for me. I am taking this command. Okay. I am taking only this command and I am executing into my environment. Is the command is clear? Everyone, anyone has any question related to the command? Because you guys are only explaining, that's good for me. If I will explain means I am teaching it. If you are explaining to means you are able to understand the things and you are giving the answers. Agree? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Now I'm taking the line number 31. I'm copying this command. Okay, and I'm executing it here. Okay, before executing it, I would like to verify. Student don't trust me. Okay, so I'm going here and I'm running on port 8080. Okay, and I'm checking it. Nothing is working for me. Can you check it? Anything is working for you on port 8080 of this IP? Check it, please. I hope everyone is from the laptop. Check it, check it, check it.
Not working.
Not working. Nothing is coming. Good. Yeah, nothing is coming. Yes, that's correct answer. Okay. Now, can I run this command? If you have if you will give the permission to me, I will run this command. Can I run this
Yes.
command? Okay. I'm going into my server and I'm just running it. I'm pressing enter. As soon as I press enter, it is telling unable to find the image. It's go to the Docker Hub. It is downloading it. It is extracting it. Okay. Everything has been done, and it is telling yes, it's done. Okay. If this type of number come, long number come means it is running as well. Okay. I'm coming into this place. Okay. And I'm refreshing it. Can you refresh? Can you check it at your end also? Anything is working? Can you check it? Anything working for you?
Yes, sir, working.
Yeah, Jenkins.
It's working.
Working. Okay. What is working? What is happening? Now what to do? Chalo. It is working. I know everyone's working. What is the next step? Next step. Next step.
You have to put
Now
in
we'll
the
have to go to the var location to get that initial password.
Correct. Chalo. Now I have to, you are telling I have to go into this location, correct? Yes or no? With the help of cat command, I have to just read this file. Agree?
Yes, sir, right.
Chalo. Nisha or Jyoti is telling right. I'm going and I'm doing the activity. And I'm pressing enter. I get error. No file, no such file.
You have to
sudo.
go inside the
You have to go to the OS actually, in the OS side.
Wait. One second.
Inside
Uma,
the
Uma, Uma,
container.
wait. Devanshu, wait. Okay. What is the error? Can you please help me out? What is the error?
There is no
Not
such
file
files.
directory.
Correct. This is a error. Okay. Now give me the solution. What is the solution? What is
So
the
You
we
have
are
to go
in the
inside the container.
we have to go to
we are running this
get
command.
inside the VM.
Correct. We are running this command inside the VM. It is not in the VM. Okay. Jenkins is not in the VM. It is inside the container. So we have to go to the container first and then we have to run this command. Agree?
Right.
Yes.
Good. Chalo, fine. Guys, if you face the problem, then find out the solution is the real learning. Okay. Chalo. Now I teach something. How can I go inside this container? Before that,
Exit.
I want to run the Docker ps command. Okay. And with the help of ps command, I get to know that yes, this is my container ID. Okay, cool. I'm copying the container ID here. Okay. And I'm giving all the commands very straightforward to you. Okay. Docker exe-it. Docker exe-it. Give the container ID into this place and bin bash. Have you understood the line number 34 command?
Yes.
Everyone. Any question in
Yes,
the line
sir.
number 34? No, right? I'm copying this command and I'm pressing here. Okay. Currently, I'm into the instance 1. As soon as I press enter, my God, something wrong. What is wrong? Guys, give me the answer. Something wrong. Some issue happened. What is that? This is the issue of copy paste. Okay, copy paste issue. Okay, when sometime hyphen it, this hyphen and this hyphen is different. Okay, this hyphen and this hyphen is different. Let's try this. Okay, now it is working. What was the problem? This hyphen and this hyphen is a difference. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Why?
So what?
Format difference.
That is a double hyphen.
No, not double. Okay. See, the problem happened. I copied from the Microsoft to Notepad I copied and Notepad to server I copied. So this hyphen got changed. Okay. It
Oh.
happens in the real time also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So because see, the font is different here. The font is little bit different here. The pasted I font is different here. So it converted the hyphen in a different way. Okay. So yes, I just removed it. I just pasted it here. Okay, this is the hyphen. You may also face this type of problem if you will do the copy paste. Okay. Okay, cool. Now what is happened? I am inside the F14. What is F14? What is F14? Yes, this is F14 and this is my Jenkins container. Correct? I'm inside the Jenkins container at this point. Correct? Yes, no?
Yes.
Now, if I will run the command cat this command, it will work. Chalo, copy, enter. Okay. My God, I get some admin password. Can I copy and can I paste it here? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm clicking on the continue. My thing worked. Okay. Now after that, you know everything. Yes or no? Jenkins is Jenkins. We already learned the Jenkins. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now I don't have
It's
to
all-
teach. Means I want to teach the Docker thing. My Jenkins is same. Okay, now you can install the plugins, whatever you want, you can do it. Now, what I want to say to you, what I'm doing it, I'm running the Jenkins application on a Docker container, or running a Jenkins application as a Docker container. Agree?
Yes.
Cool. Okay. In short, what I want to say to you, earlier, we have to do this much efforts, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, earlier we have to do this much efforts. Now we just have to run the docker run command and it's done. Everything has been packed into the single box that is called image, and the image has to be run and it will create a container and running application will be available. That's it. Cool.
So because with that Jenkins image that was already in the Docker Hub, so it already had this binaries and library files. So we
Already everything, this all things has been packed by the developer itself. Okay. DEVELOPER developer itself, because lot of students in our group also complained, sir, Jenkins is not working for me. Are you agree? Yes or no?
yeah.
When we are learning the Jenkins, so many students has complained, sir, Jenkins is not working for me. Jenkins is not working for me. Maybe he did some mistake into this 5-6 step, and that's why it is not working. So as a solution, everything has to be packed into the single box, create an image, and then give it to some other environment. It will work for sure. That's the work of Docker. Yep.
Because let's say if we create any jobs in Jenkins, it will be inside the container or it will be on the VM side.
See, at this point, inside the container, everything will be inside the container. Cool. All good? Yes, no.
Yep.
Have you understood that today's class, today's session?
Yes.
Only one voice came. I'm not happy. Either it should be no. If you are not able to understand, tell me you are not able to understand.
Yeah, because we are able to understand.
Okay, good. Okay, so what are things we did in the today's class? We Docker installation in the last class we have did. In the today's class also we did. We understood the Docker architecture. Yes, we did it. Okay, some basic commands we have did in the Friday class also. But again today we have taken care of the basic command. Okay, we created the image. We downloaded the image and we run the container. Okay. We pull the Ubuntu container, NGINX container. We created the very first Hello World container. We understand the architecture diagram. Okay. And we understand the Docker architecture steps as well. Okay. Plus we created one NGINX container as well. We changed the HTML file. Okay. With the help of HTML file, first we taken the default NGINX file. Okay. Where is that? First we took the default NGINX file. Okay. Then we change it to our customized HTML file, and then we convert it into the Google HTML file. Okay, cool. Okay. Plus we created the Jenkins application with the help of Docker image as well. This is the today's agenda we did. Can I make it green? Yes, no.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Even in the last class also, whatever we did, only the virtual machine creation was pending. Okay, which I was not written. This is extra, which I am giving to you. Okay, but I'm making it green. In the tomorrow class, we are going to create a resume. Okay, why we are creating a resume? Because I want you to go for the interviews. Okay, everyone, please be prepared. Okay, we are going in the tomorrow class, we are going to create a resume, which we have supposed to be taken the class on this day, resume making, but some students really want to go interview, and there are lots of opening in our Facebook group. Okay, so I want you to go for the interviews, please. Okay, so that basic requirement is you need a resume. So we will create a resume in the tomorrow class, and in the next class after tomorrow class, we will upload, means in the tomorrow class itself, we will upload into the Naukri. So you will get a calls by own as well, and we will optimize the Naukri profile as well, so that you will get a lot of calls by own as well. Plus, after that, we will again go more deeper into the Docker. So you will get a time to revise the Docker, whatever we have till now. Cool?
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Thank you. So don't
Because
miss
can we
the.
create any our custom
Yep.
image in the Docker?
अरे अभी तो पिक्चर शुरू हुई है सबीर. There are so many things are pending. Okay, we reach into this place. Okay, see, around this many things are pending. Okay, so whatever is your question, I want to give the answer. Okay, till now what we are doing it, we are directly taking the image and we are running it, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right, we are directly downloading the image from the Docker Hub and we are running it. Abhi to building and with the help of Docker file is pending. This part I haven't touched it. Okay, we are 0% at this point. Okay, that is a pure development work. I will teach you that as well. Okay, till now we are doing the DevOps and operation works.
Okay.
Okay, so the development work will also come. Development and DevOps work will also come. I will teach you how to create, how to build, how to write the Docker file. That is little bit advanced concept. I want to give a time to you guys for one day so that you can revise it, and then we will go more deeper into the Docker files and all these things. Okay, then we will say that if any running container, how to create an image. Okay, till now from the image we are creating the container. From the container also image we can create it. We will understand all the operations of the Docker. Okay, we will see the cheat sheet. Okay, we will see the troubleshooting. I told that we will, whatever the issues we will face, I will create issues. We will go inside and we will troubleshoot the issues. Okay, we will clean up the machines. Okay, and we will see the application registry, and we will see this image as well. Okay, means how the exactly the flow has been worked. And then if the container, we will move into the Kubernetes classes. Okay, so 2 more classes will be for Docker. Okay, then we will go into the Kubernetes. Cool.
Sir, I have found Docker a bit confusing. I don't know it is for me.
Why? Tell me, what is confusing?
Confusing is like that one thing, like to go into the container, we have Docker start command as well and Docker
Wait. Devanshu, again go to the basic. Docker start is to start the container.
The container also gets started by Docker run as well.
See, with the help of run, it will download the image and it will get created.
Okay.
It will run and it will download and it will get created. If it's on stop state, then you will run the start command. If it's not a stop state, you will not start it again. Correct? If it's already running, the start command is useless.
Okay, means sir, with the help of run command, it will not be in a running state, right?
No. With the run command, if we will say that
It will create.
it will create. Okay, the run means it will create. Okay,
Yes.
inside
Okay.
that, if anything activity has supposed to be get executed, whatever has been written inside the image, okay, that will get executed. If it's
Okay.
written
You
that
see.
only Ubuntu has to become, see, we run the Docker run command. Okay, for Ubuntu, exit. I'm just coming out from this. Okay, exit. Okay, and dockerps. Okay, sorry, my spelling mistake. docker Docker space ps. Okay, see, Jenkins is running because it has an application which has to be actively available into the UI. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so it is up and running. Okay, now next. Okay, see this one nginx, which is running on 80 because Google page is there. This is also web application, so it is be active. Okay, Ubuntu, which I explicitly start with, that's why it is running. Okay, otherwise dockerps -a. Okay, and if you will see so many images, this hello world, it has done the work has been completed, so container is not required. Yes or no?
Yes.
It explained the architecture, it's done, so it has been exited automatically. It has an intelligence. Docker or containers or image has an intelligence. Whatever is required, it will keep it. If it's not required, not useful, it will be into the exit state. You can run the start command and you can start it anytime.
So, sir, currently the Nginx is also running.
Nginx is running because it's a web application. Yes, you can see here, it's a web application. Yes.
But sir, we have given the exited command, so
Where
is
we
it
have
not?
given, where we have given, buddy? We have given the exited command for previous one. Okay. You have to do little bit practical. Devanshu, only one suggestion. I know the problem will happen if you know something. You know the Docker little bit things you try to learn by own, correct?
Yes.
And you are making that concept and this concept match up. That's the problem with me. Forget whatever you know before me, okay? And whatever I'm teaching, just go that part. Is that okay? That you can do for me?
Okay.
So you will not get
Okay.
failed. Because as per my personal experience, some student who has some half knowledge, okay, they will put the knowledge also. That time they will face a problem. Is that
All right.
okay?
All right.
Okay, just
So, sir, to go into the container, so we will use Docker execute command, right?
correct. exe-it
To
command.
go in.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And sir, whenever we give exit command, the Docker stops running. Sorry, the container stops running.
It depends. It depends. Okay. If you return the -d command, okay, and exit, then there may be chances. If it's not at all useful thing, it will get exited. If something has to be get run, okay, it will be into the running state. Like take an example for my Jenkins. Okay. I went inside and I come out, but it is running because it's a UI based application which has always be up. So it is in running state.
Okay.
It depends. It depends on the use case.
Can you please show forcefully exit this Jenkins
If I will
server?
forcefully, definitely it will be down.
If you can show it, it's still open.
It's still open. If you will forcefully delete it, definitely it will be down. Okay, Docker PS.
If you just exit, you just exit, not delete.
See, exit to I already did, but you see, exit to I already did. That's why I came out, right?
Okay.
I went exe-inside and I came out. It will work. That's a functionality. Guys, see, don't get confused with the functionality and obvious thing. Okay, you go out inside and you come out. That's a functionality. Correct. And if it's not at all useful, if you are coming out, means it's exited. Like this image. Okay, Docker hello world. Okay, hello world. The work is completed, so it doesn't require to keep it running. Make sense? Yes or no?
But Jenkins is always supposed to run, right? Suppose if you
Jenkins
want
is
to
supposed
stop
to
it.
be run always. Okay.
Yeah, but
So it is
suppose
running.
if you wanted to stop, suppose if you wanted to stop it for temporary basis, can we use a kill command or stop command?
Then you, if you want, your question is temporary, then you can pause it. Correct. If you kill or remove it, it will be completely out. Or if you're temporary want to hold it, you can stop it. STOP. Docker stop. Kill or remove is for removing it. If you want your requirements temporary, then stop it. Make sense?
Okay.
Yeah. Sabir, you are happy? You are happy with the answer?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Yeah. What else? Next question. Next person.
Sir, one thing like I was having some issue with my Docker things. Like, can I share my screen just before the practical?
Wait. Devanshu, what is the issue? Tell me what you did wrong. What is the issue?
Sir, like I pulled that image.
Okay, that's not a Docker issue. It's a container image issue. Okay.
Issue, yes.
Correct. Okay, fine. You downloaded the image, Docker pull. Yes.
Now, yeah, sir. Then, sir, I went into the container. I went
Docker
inside the
pull
container.
and you inside it. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Yep.
And then after that, sir, like we did some activity like git install and ansible install.
Means you
But I am not.
means you downloaded the Ubuntu image and
Yes.
you went into the Ubuntu image and you downloading something. Okay, fine. Then what is the error? Yes.
It is throwing an error that unable to locate the package.
Means you are trying to find something which is not at all available. The package is not correct. Okay, it's not a Docker issue. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, package issue. Means your package name is not correct. What is the package name which what you want to download it? Give me the name.
Yes, sir, same like apt install ansible.
Ansible. Okay, means Ansible has a dependency of Python. You have to download Python first, then Ansible will come.
Yeah, and it was also not getting installed, so that is why.
See, that is not installments. It's not not at all. Guys, are you agree? This is not a Docker issue. Everyone agree with my point? If you will do the same activity into the Ubuntu machine, it will not work. Correct?
Yes.
Right? Devanshu, be very specific that your issue is related to package. Means it's a Ubuntu issue. Okay? Find out the
Yes,
right
yes.
name, find out the right name and run it. It will work.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it?
I was doing the same thing which you were doing, but again, it was
Chal,
throwing
I
the
will give you
error.
opportunity. I will give opportunity at the last. Okay. But I want to
Okay,
be
okay.
very clear that see, the issue is something different and you are telling Docker is not working. No, Docker is absolutely correct. It's a package issue. Go ahead.
Yes,
Next
yes.
person. Cool. Yeah. Yep. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Next person.
Sir,
I know Devanshu is just a small thing. Okay. He's just typing mistake. Go ahead. Next person.
So the Docker images, can be installed on any Linux OS, right? Like
Docker image.
Ubuntu,
Docker image. We
yeah,
are talking
can
about
be,
Docker image, see, not Docker image, application image, Ubuntu, Nginx, this app image, you can use it any environment you are telling? Specify the question.
yes,
Specify the question.
Sabir.
Sabir, yes, Sabir. Specify the question. Repeat it
Yeah,
again.
let's say Ubuntu, Red Hat,
Correct.
all, the file is a common for,
Yes.
can be used on any OS, right?
Yes.
Except Windows.
See, if you've taken the Docker install in the Windows also, you can use it. That is also possible. Docker is a platform independent. You can run in any of the Docker has their own Linux environment. Okay. You can over that you can run any of the flavor that is possible. Got it?
Okay. In the future lab, can we try any Windows just to get some knowledge?
Windows is not a good thing. Okay. See, in the last class I already installed the Windows in your machine. Correct?
Yeah, that's a
Right?
VM actually.
Not VM. Docker is already installed in your machine in the last class.
Yeah, that's Docker on the Windows. Yes.
We have already did it. Now you can run any of all these commands that will work for sure. Everything will be same. Got it?
Okay. Thank you.
But see, I will not advise you to perform the activity on Windows. That's not advisable. Okay? Because you want to work into the real time, into the IT company. Correct? And don't say that I run the Docker in Windows. No, it's not good. Agree?
Okay.
Yeah.
So in that case, it will make use of the Windows kernel, right?
Yes, it will use the Windows kernel. Okay. If required in the next or tomorrow class, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow class, I will use something on Windows as well. I can do it. Okay.
And is there any way to rename that instance and that ID?
Instance
Like
ID. No, it's not good. Okay, you can't. You can
like
rename
we
the
want.
name. See, you can do the changes into the name. Okay, but you can't rename the ID. No, it's not in our head. Okay.
Like it won't be easy to distinguish the container with that.
So then name is there, na buddy. Why you are changing the ID? Name, you can change the name that I already teach. Correct?
Yeah,
Hyphen
that's
name.
okay.
That's it. No,
Yeah,
don't mash
that's
up with the
okay.
concept. No. Arun, don't mash up with the concept. Okay. If I'm giving the opportunity to you to ask the question, don't ask anything. Okay. Chalo, let's come to the Nishak problem. Okay. I'm stopping the recording.